Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to edit your classroom thumbnail. Okay, so this is a class we created, JSS1 Mathematics class. I want to insert a picture here on the thumbnail of the class, something beautiful and captivating for my students. Quickly, you can seize Upload a Thumbnail Image, click on Click to Upload. There are some images I already have in my system. I choose one of them, then choose Update Thumbnail. It's uploading. Wow, thumbnails make you classroom exceptional. My classroom is ready. Enjoy GMind AI powered by Go to Course.